Did you know you can multiply by 99 in just a few seconds? In this video, you'll not only learn the shortcut, but also why it actually works. 99 is simply 100 minus 1. That means we can split the calculation into two parts. 84 times 100 and 84 times 1. First, 84 times 100 equals 8,400. Now we only need to calculate 84 times 1. Any number multiplied by 1 stays the same. So, 84 times 1 equals 84. Now let's subtract this result from 8,400. 8,400 minus 84 equals 8,316. So, 84 times 99 equals 8,316. Let's try one more example. What is 52 times 99? Just like before, let's split the calculation into two parts. 52 times 100 equals 5,200. 52 times 1 equals 52. Now subtract the second result from the first. 5,200 minus 52 equals 5,148. So, 52 times 99 equals 5,148. I hope you found this method helpful, and that multiplying by 99 feels much easier now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next Math Shortcuts video.